What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I did 5 lazy back to school hairstyles for you guys, and I really liked how they turned out. I think they're gonna be really great, and I think that they are very simple and they won't take they'll take like 5 minutes, like not even. Okay guys, let's just get on with the video. I'm taking my gloves and my wand, and I'm just separating my hair on 2 sides and taking a piece of my hair. Doesn't matter how big or small, it depends on what kind of curl you want. So I want a really loose, very wavy curl, so I'm taking a bigger piece. But if you want a very tight curl, then I would do a smaller piece. And I'm just gonna hold it there for about 20 seconds. Again, if you want a tighter piece, I would do it for more. Releasing it and bringing my fingers through the hair so that it gets even looser, and I'm just going to do that on all of my hair.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and
okay guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to part my hair on my right side. That's where my side part is, but wherever your side part is or whatever, that's where you do it. And I'm just going to split my hair into 2 sections. And I'm just kind of getting my side bangs out and stuff. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the sections and take a tiny little piece out and bring it over to the other section and then pull. And then we do the same thing on the other side, just taking a tiny piece out and bringing it over to the other section and pulling. And I'm just going to continue to do this, and then you will eventually see a fishtail braid forming. And then I'm going to take a ponytail and just wrap it around the end of my hair. And I'm just going to kind of like pull it apart just to loosen it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to pull out any extra pieces I want to make the hair look even better. And play with it a little bit more. And then after that, you're done.
let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for
you. I'm taking a ponytail and just pushing my hair back, and I'm going to try to achieve a really good high ponytail. And before I actually put it up, I'm going to kind of wiggle my hair just to get out any of like those extra pieces, like my side bangs and stuff like that. And I'm just going to wrap my hair around, and then I'm just going to try to push the extra hair underneath the bun we just created. I'm going to wrap my ponytail around it. To fix any messes, I'm just going to grab some bobby pins and put them in any loose areas. After that, you are done.
although time may take us into different places, I will still
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my ponytail and making a circle around the top part of my head and just grabbing the hair while I'm doing that, and then trying to bring it up into a very, very high ponytail. And again, I'm just going to jiggle all my extra hair out, like my side bangs, and then I am going to wrap my ponytail around. And then pull very tight, and then bam, you're done. So I'm just going to take a ponytail, and this one's very short. I'm going to be, same thing as the regular bun, I'm just going to be like kind of twisting my hair and wrapping it around itself, and then pushing all the excess hair underneath the bun we just created. And then to fix errors, because that looks terrible, I'm going to grab another ponytail and kind of just fix the bun a little bit more, pushing any extra hair I do not want to be seen underneath the bun. And then grab some bobby pins and put them in the places to hide any mistakes you made. And you're done!
Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. Live until I'm old. You shouldn't be fighting on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to see my last video, it'll be in the end card, and so will all my social media. So yeah, remember I post videos every single Friday.